Hi loves, if you're new here, I'm Diva Decorating. Welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back loves. Okay guys, it is Tablescape Sunday. Yay! And guys, Tablescape Sunday is always presented by Diva's Dynasty. We do this every 2 weeks of the month, and your host for this Tablescape Sunday is no other than moi, Diva Decorating. Okay guys, now my challenge were to create a end of summer outdoor autumn tablescape. Okay, and the twist was that you have to display a fall signage, a pumpkin, and a lantern in your design on your tablescape. So guys, I can't wait to see what everyone came up with, and I'm going to set the mood for you guys, and I'm going to let you know that what I came up with is a table for two for the end of summer, celebrating just a day of autumn with the nice sun shining and the nice cool weather, just for two. Okay, so let's go see what I created. Let's go out on the patio. Okay, so loves, let's go out on the patio. Come with me. So guys, that's it. Don't forget to watch the playlist. I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. And please don't forget to go over and support all of the Divas Dynasty group. I will leave everyone's channel link down in my description box. And guys, until next time, I will see you on the next Tablescape Sunday. Bye bye, loves.